Igbo ndị ọma njem ọ na-ekene m n'ụbọchị nke tata biko na anyị ji maka Ken Palace of Justice wee bịa maka na ịma na Ken nwanne anyị nwoke ga prison, so since then he has been treating himself, receiving treatment at home. So wee sị ka ya were opportunity wee gwa ndị Igbo ụmụnne ya ihe mere ya ji wee baa nga, ihe kpụgara ya nga. O wee sị na tata bụ tata oge ji wee meghela anyị ya bụ kọla anyị ya bụ akụkọ otoshi wee gaa nga, and n'ihe niile otu esi tọcha ya na ndị otu ya, biko echefukwana ka ime gịnị ka subscribe na this channel. I subscribe ka ị na-subscribe ka ị na-comment na-eme gịnị, na-share na like click notification button so that mbọsị ọbụla anyị wetara gị ozi ka o wee mee gịnị, ka o wee gwa gịnị kwe na channel a ewetagokwa ozi ọzọ. Ngwa ka anyị ga-ewe nna anyị nwoke bụ Ken ntị n'olu. Ngwa watch and video.
Amụaka na-akpọ Ken Palace of Justice odogwu na-epe mpe enyi ndị big man ọ tụfuru aka n'ụka palliative ndị eke oke mmụọ n'ime sel the monopause breaker nyash pumper breast giver. And ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na ha ajụ m Ken ka ihe bugere gị nga, ka ihe bugere gị nga. So I'm here now to clear the air ka m gwa people, for people feel no crime or something else bugara m nga. I'm calling how everything happened. I would not in a follow boom before. I got one particular man report on my page. I go to Facebook with recommend that month, December, January, because of the reports. Which him real the man, when him not real the man, I even need to call the man. I want you to have them now because I needed that money to travel back to Nigeria that month. Then on 1st March, one of my followers sent along a script or some art here. That I'm art here, that script now. I got touch that man heart here, can release on my page, which I thought about it. The plan came up more biabo. Then on 2nd March, made a prank. The prank will not come around. And red oil, manuni. The channel home with is something like a in here for me channel for now. But I come around not conscious. So a broom from upstairs, YouTube natizing, and they were shouting, release the money. Have to Ken again because they can't. Ken Igbo way because of it. I'm on Hindi Alabeke anonymous na bo observate. Yeah, observate and they come along him which we are not the thing. And without knowing that only mosque non alcohol the place we shoot together skits and we shoot together skits I try I make accordingly legit, and a lot of due to that legit a lot of crowd Abakota, even the street, because I'm a man at that street, even the people known at the street Abakota, Nate Sunday, because that's what they normally call me, Sunday, Guinea Bully, Sunday. So after I made that content, I was in my room, I was like that none of my room, amazing the video did to cover those red oil car in the Facebook have sense as no or so why when they made the video did him was in my room, him was on my door, boom. Like police they broke about a share door, the 2 doors, my apartment, but not my room, not warning. So I don't want all content come, all video come shoot make them one comedian. They turned my room upside down, I searched everywhere. Then he made my arrest. So I came to police station that day, which will show you where I had the video. I seen the video other remember for the country. That's the video. What of me that video and a lot of people name where Obi and one or not that video gonna cause a lot of damages. Then later they remind me they send me to court and I got court. To court I remind them in prison in detention even after waiting trial which are prison here. Then none of their own wish which has in our own wish can win key japota. hotel room there one day. Mandela no chala 4 years, then we have some similar case, no chala 5 years, 6 years there, no kind of there. The 6 months and as nam geja apatali, ya was not the judge. Emirate or vacation that month, no 1 month and 15 days, which is 45 days. I have to wait for another 45 days. The judge a lot of parts, no change the same judge. One day, him I will him got mad. Him on a bar, how him got mad. Which just made this video not to clear the air. What I saw is what I will also make a video about it. So that's how, the 8 months and 10 days plus 10 days not on a police station. 8 days and 8 months and 20 days. Then on 21st night, I didn't even believe I'm at them and dear album. Like Kelly was all I'm hoping that Tamala Agapote again. I may put them go not away be 2 years or 3 years. Amazing Benja, but like Kelly was all I'm total hope. God works. Then on 21st night, 21st November night here, they came to our door and our Nga door. Say that we got a call to the next day. No one will be a map. I thought maybe then getting to court, the judge had Jomo him put me bank Chale. I said today you have your freedom. Jesus Christ. Yadem maybe. So from the only thing they send them to prison was rank video me. I have program Ganji no 8 months and 20 days. I still thank God for making it possible for more and because someone then another detention that waiting trial for long. I put that one. Naturally, there 5-6 years, but God made it possible more and came and then 8 months and 20 days. So please, if you come across the video, kindly share it so that it will get a lot of people that don't know the reason I went to Nga. This is the only reason that sent me to Nga, and I believe everything happens for a reason. I have learned my lesson. God used this to put on my gallant. Yeah. God bless you all for all my followers that has been there for me and praying for me. Waja, and other people know that group make sure that I go home na prison. I said I will hang start and others people in Senegal here. I appreciate you people. I thank God for my freedom. Freedom is priceless no matter what. Even if you only look at the only freedom, one day you want everything. Aka aboge or ufaka, ega matana this life in the two. Aka aboge or ufaka, you know that this life is two. And for people thinking that I'm major, I'm not use this small opportunity for now, soon. Bahara, you need to na bale, go around. Upon hand, one can the blue. And from then I continue quite the same saga. Igbo wofu. You will find one well ahead of saga, but one day all those things have no meaning. So if I have offended you in any way, or you have offended me, I have forgiven. And I'm also pleading that because Kunuba have what I'm on. Napan Igbo and Igbo can Nasokwa. When you want 1 year old, take care of the one no him might get benefit. On the Palangana to Everlast, when Jimmy go Jim came away him neighbor Cherigi. Bikunubara, Oshim Nobi from the best part of my body. Nakena open name person now. God bless you all for the love, the support. I can't stop appreciating you people. My followers, one love, my people.